This originally started with our community schools and our community specialist. We wanted to put on an event that would provide resources and opportunities for our families to come together, gather resources that they need, and some learning through the workshops.
So this is an opportunity for our families to get connected with local community organizations and resources, but also a time to come together as a district.
We've really been working on developing our partnerships because it takes a village, literally. And so that's part of the community schools is we look at the whole child, and there's a lot of barriers that are in the way for learning, and so we're just trying to provide opportunities to remove those barriers, and a lot of our community partners are helping us with that.
This is a great time of both community building and also connecting families with resources and just enrichment opportunities as well.
I think the significance of an event like this is to show that we really care for our community, we really care for our students, and we really care for their families, and that we want the success of everyone, and that together we can thrive, we can be better together.